What's up, guys? It's me again. I'm here riding, which is gorgeous. It's beautiful. The day is beautiful. You know, we were supposed to have that tropical depression. We had it already. Right now there's no more rain for now, so I'm just riding. I haven't been checking the news to make sure if there's not any more rain coming, but I saw the clear, so I decided to hurry up and jump on and ride before it starts raining again. I tried it on Thursday. I went, you know, I saw the sky was kind of clear. I went inside, grabbed my helmet, walked back out, and the sky was purple again and it was lightning. I went back inside. I wasn't too happy. Look at how beautiful this is. It's gorgeous. This is Sylvan Beach. The water looks kind of high, but it looks pretty nice out here. We'll go around one more time. I guess everybody wanted to get out because of the way the weather has been. This is a tour of Sylvan Beach. I had my hand on the clutch. Let's look over here. That's the beach area. Man, it looks calm now. I guess we're okay. I like to come out here and gather my thoughts. I like going on that pier and fishing, but around here, man, there's times where you only get catfish. I mean, there's other fish, but it seems like every time I came it was mainly catfish. It's not a bad spot though. Just wanted to show you guys Sylvan Beach, a little quick tour. It's a very nice area. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one.